Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I bought this 1974 Corvette because of its amazing restoration. I mean, obviously it's a beautiful car, but the restoration really impressed me. I look at cars all over the country, really nice vehicles. This is nut and bolt body off frame restoration, one of the best detailed restorations I've seen. It's really that good. Got it from the estate of a Corvette collector. He had about 6 Corvettes all together in a nice little man cave with Corvette memorabilia. But anyway, number matching, body off frame restored, loaded up with nice options. Go to volocars.com. You can read the specs, you can study the pictures, and you're going to want to look at the pictures under this one. And you'll find a price tag of every car along with the finance, monthly finance payment as well if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new one's posted. For right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, again, to really stress the fact, it's nut and bolt body off frame restored underneath. Every clip, clamp, nut, bolt, all looks fresh, clean, detailed. Now with that said, the frame is all black, smooth, clean, rust-free metal. These have 4-wheel disc brakes. All of it looks new. The calipers, the e-brake cables, the hoses, the lines, all look fresh. All of the suspension, they are front and rear independent suspension. And that's all redone, bushings, ball joints, you name it, and it's all detailed. All the components are painted, nice smooth finishes. It's got a new correct dual exhaust system underneath it. The fiberglass floors look to be in excellent condition. They're all painted black. The fiberglass spare tire carrier looks like it's all complete and in excellent shape. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. Chevy orange, the starter, the fuel pump, everything you see looks spotless. Has its original turbo 400 automatic transmission. The tag is still riveted to the side. That's dated 1974. The drive shaft is rebuilt, the U-joints. In back, it has the correct 308 posi gears in the rear end, so it's just a nice cruising type car. So again, underneath, blew me away. The body, it's silver mist. Body's fantastic. Well, we're looking at the body. The gaps, no damage, all lines up real nice. The front rubber bumpers, excellent. It all lines up smooth, flush, square. I don't see any damage. I don't see any body work showing. I don't see any cracks. It all lines up wonderfully. Yeah, no issues, no damage. I should say no rust and see how many people leave comments. No issues at all. The body is outstanding. I don't see any issue with the body, including the front and back rubber bumpers. 74 was the only year to have this split in the bumper. No damage. Look how nice it fits too. Beautifully. Excellent. And the paint, the silver mist, is laid out completely evenly. It's all one color. There's no cloudy or blotchy marks, from not being laid out properly. I did notice, oh, there's a hair. I was going to tell you about a scratch and it fell off when I touched it. Beautiful, beautiful paint, polished like glass. I really believe it didn't look this good when it was new. There is some very faint rub mark that they all get from the top when it sits on the paint, and they're very mild on this car. Now, all the chrome, the door handles, the trim, the mirrors, the stainless around the windows, emblems, all of that looks to be in excellent condition. The front emblem, the grills, it's really, really nice everywhere you look. The windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure it's new. The wheels, highly polished. These are an optional wheel, the aluminum wheels. They Look like chrome. They're beautiful. The tires are brand new. We just put them on. Matter of fact, still has some of the blue on the white letters, still has the nubs on the tread. So 4 brand new tires. Our shop did spend $1,912. They inspect the entire car, and that's what we spent servicing it. That included the tires, air conditioning compressor, lube the windows so they go up and down easier, wiper motor, rebuilt the carburetor, rerouted some of the vacuum lines for the headlights. So they went through and dialed it in for us. Correct antenna. So there you have it. World's smallest trunk. Has a rear window defroster. This actually blows on the window of the convertible top. The convertible top is black. You'll see pictures on the website. It's all restored. But why don't we open it up? I'll show you the inside. So check out the beautiful silver mist color, and I love the wheels. Great looking wheel on this car. The tires that were on there were just old. They weren't worn, but they were old, so we replaced them. Now you can see the door jambs now. They're painted beautiful. They're glossy. The weather strips have been replaced. Door panels all look pristine. The wood grain, the trim, all in excellent shape. The dash area is mint. There's no splits or cracks in the dash. The instruments, the tachometer, the chrome, all beautiful. The AC vents, the gauges are clean. Quartz movement in the clock, factory radio. All this is in excellent shape. I can see the interior light is on. New carpet. The center console's all in beautiful shape. This chrome here. Actually, we'll clean up a little more, but this is plastic chrome. It's a little bit wrinkled up. We do have optional power windows. I've got some original literature. And this is a tilt and telescopic steering column. That's optional. And this is glove soft leather seats, all redone. And I believe this is considered the deluxe seat belts with the shoulder belt. I'll give you a peek of the convertible top. The light back here is working, the whole compartment. It's all real nice. The weather strips on the top. Look at under the lid. Look how detailed. So it is the number matched 350 motor. Look how detailed it is. Beautiful. It's a 350 motor. It's got the nice finned valve covers, the complete cowl induction air cleaner assembly. The air actually comes in through the hood. There's a little flapper in there, comes in through the cowl and is fed right into the engine. And aside from that, it has the ignition shielding. We put a new wiper motor. We got power brakes. We got power steering down there. New AC compressor, and the system's been charged. And again, the fan, the radiator, nuts, bolts, manifolds, wiring, everything is just detailed beautifully. I couldn't resist this car. More than just the condition, I love leather seats, I love the wheels. So there you have it. If you're all about condition, I think this is one of the best you'll find. And again, just a wonderful car. Anyone would be proud to take this to even a Corvette event. The actuators, the vacuum lines, all that, the hinge mechanism, all looks like new. I have a lot of good things to say about this car. Serviced, ready to go enjoy. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it. And If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icons. That way you're notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.